Now this is a rectangular parallelepiped. This length is given 10, this length is given 6, and this length is given 4. Okay, so we have to express these points, I mean this length, in terms of I, J, K. This is also. Now what happens, directly you can understand this this AB, A to B will be 10J, because this is in parallel to Y. So this is parallel to Y, so this unit vector will be J. Okay, here it is parallel to X, so it will be 6I, and this is parallel to Z, it will be 4K. Okay, now how it is this is a simple way to prove it. This point, let us take this point is x1, y1, z1. What will be this point? X1 will be remain same, y2, y changes, y2, and z is also remain same, so z1. Okay, so what will be the from A to B, arrow from A to B, what will be this? X1 minus x1, here you see, A to B, x1 minus x1, I plus y, y2 minus y1, j, y changes, and z1 minus z1, k. So this is 0, so it will be y1, y2 minus y1, j. So this is equal to 10J. Okay, because y2 minus y1 is 10 given. So you have understood. Similarly, BC minus 6I. Okay, I have told this is 6I. No, this direction is x direction, and this direction is BC. BC will be minus 6I. CB will be 6I, but BC will be minus 6I. BC is minus 6I, and BF is along the Z, positive Z. So this will be similarly, it will be 4K. So this is 4K. Okay, so the length are, I have already found out all the lengths. Please note down and try yourself. Okay, try yourself. Now this is I will find out the problem in terms of the cross product and dot product. Okay, please note down this problem. A vector is given, B vector is given. You have to find out A cross B. What happens, you just do it I, J, K, and write down this one 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 8 minus 3, 2, 8 minus 3, 2, and this is a determinant. You do it as determinant is done. Okay, so I have done this problem for you. You can see this is the answer for cross product. Okay, in terms of I, J, and K. And dot product, what will be dot product? Dot product is a scalar quantity. Cross product is a vector quantity. So I, J, K has I, J, K have come into the picture, and this is the dot product. So only the magnitude will come. This is a scalar quantity. So this into this plus this into this plus this into this. So this is done there. 6 into 8 plus 3 into minus 3 plus 4 into 2. So this is the answer is 47. Okay.